This is my air fryer. I love this thing. Okay. Yeah, it's really nice. This is an air fry, and you can select all different kinds of stuff here. You got toaster and bake and broil and roast and pizza, reheat, warm, slow cook, and dehydrate. Really, really like this thing. It's got a light, and it's got convection. And then, you can do the time and temperature while you're doing something. You can actually uh, adjust this. This is like really high quality. I really, really like it a lot. Um, this is the air fryer basket, and then this is the tray. Okay. Oh, I have to take this out first. Okay, it's super high quality. It's really built very nice. It looks really pretty too. I really like the rose gold here. It's kind of like a copperish, like a rose gold copperish. It's really pretty. Um, it's not cheap. I've read that it's cheap, and it's definitely not cheap. So I don't know who these people are, but they're lying.